Yeah. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You have a good night. Here it is. 24-hour plug-in timer segment. Hello? Plug-in segment timer. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm not sure if it works, pero sabi naman niya brand new daw, hindi pa daw ito nagagamit, so we'll see. So ayun guys, another free stuff na naman. As I've said, it's a 24-hour plug-in segment timer, so it is where you can use na pag may naka-plug dyan, it will set at 24-hour and then it will automatically turn off. Yun ang pagkakaintindi ko. So yun lang, another free stuff. So that's all for today. That's all for this evening. Kasi pagod na ako, gusto ko lang umuwi. Salamat at sa mga nag-follow sa akin. Thank you so much. I really appreciate